Good day, guys. Today I want to show you how to solve velocity time graph whenever you have something like this. For example, in this one now, they ask us to find the total distance traveled by this body. So what are we going to do? Remember that whenever you are dealing with velocity time graph, that the total distance traveled by a body represents, that the total area of the graph represents the total distance traveled by that body. So in this case, we are going to find the total area of this shape now. Then after getting the total area, that area now will now represent what? The total distance traveled by the body. So in this one now, remember that the vertical axis in a velocity time graph represent the velocity. Then the horizontal axis represent what? The time taken by the body. So now we want to find total distance traveled by the body. So what are we going to do? From here to here is a distance of what? 2. That is the height, represent the height. Then from here to here, what is the difference? 2 minus 0 is going to give you 2. Then the same thing, 4 minus 2 here is going to give you what? 2 here. 6 minus 4 is going to give you 2. Mean that the distance from here to here is 2. Then the distance from here to here is 2. Then the distance from here to here is 2. Then the height from here to here is 2. So let us consider the phase. Let's just do like this. Total distance. Total distance equals to S1 plus S2 plus S3. So we have to find the area of S1, area of S2, area of S3. So we now proceed. We have S1, this is a triangle. S1 here is a triangle. So what is the formula for finding area of a triangle? That is I have base times height. So I'm going to apply the same thing here. So 1 over 2 multiplied by our base is what here? From here to here, that is 2. Multiplied by the height from here to here is what? 2. So here, 1, 2 will cancel this. So you will now left with 2. So you have 2 meter here for this one. So for this is for S1. Then for S2, we have that S2 is what? This is a rectangle. So this is the distance from here to S2. Then the height here is what? 2. 2 times 2 is going to give you what? That is 4 meter. Then for the last one, S3 equals to, this is another triangle. So this is 2. This time and the height of this is 2. So we have 1 over 2 times 2 times 2. We now have 2 meter. So therefore, total distance is total equals to the first one was what? 2 meter plus 4 meter plus 2, which is going to give you what? 2 plus this, that is 8 meter. So that is the answer. Bye bye.